kasama natin ang ating video player of the game, none other than the scoring apostle, PJ Simon. PJ, saan mo ba ika-credit yung iyong parang bagets ka maglaro?
First and foremost, I just wanna thank my personal savior, Jesus Christ. Di ko alam eh. Siguro nakadalawang conference na kami nasa semifinals. Siguro we're looking at the different results sa ngayon. And I'm looking forward na mag-continue ako mag-inspire sa mga teammates ko. And gusto ko ipakita sa kanila na yung consistency at saka yung good example. And I hope na mag-guide ko sila before I call it a career.
Wag muna. Okay, eto PJ, what are you most confident about seeing your team and how strong they are starting this conference?
I'm very confident din sa defense namin kasi I think last conference, #1 kami in defense, and right now, we have a good job again in defense, and I hope that we will continue to be #1 in defense. And yun talaga yung barometer namin. Kung maganda yung defense namin, napakalaki ng chance namin manalo.
That's right. PJ, greetings. May mga fans definitely na nanonood sa inyo ngayon.
Sa lahat ng mga fans ng Star Hotshots, maraming salamat sa support ninyo. Of course, si Manatics, and of course, yung tatay ko, and my brother. Thank you so much sa kuya ko and my sister. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan sa makilala Nerd Cotabato. Thank you so much. God bless.
Maraming salamat ang walang kakupas-kupas na si PJ Simon. Thank you, PJ.